How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a hickey step-by-step technique. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So a hickey is literally just a bruise. That's all it is. It's a fancy word for a bruise. Most hickeys are on the neck, but they can be anywhere on the body. To get rid of it, it's actually extremely simple to do. Go inside your kitchen, get a spoon. You're going to use the end of the spoon or the scooping part of the spoon. And wherever the hickey is, you're just going to rub it back and forth in the same spot, back and forth for 5 minutes straight. After that, it should be completely gone. If it's not, it'll be extremely faded, and then just rub for another 3 minutes. Why does this work, or how does this work? Like I said, a hickey is just a bruise. Now, if you leave the hickey or the bruise alone for about a week, it'll go away by itself. Every single day, it'll keep vanishing more and more and more until eventually it completely disappears. The reason why this works is every day more and more blood gets circulated in that bruise. After a week, there's complete blood flow again and the bruise is healed. What we're doing with the spoon is we're forcing blood into that area to heal it right in front of your eyes, literally right in front of your eyes. I've done this trick before and it does work 100%. I've done it on multiple hickeys. It does work. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.